$40? That's what a tire shop charged a customer last year to fill his tires with nitrogen. He paid for it, drove away feeling good about taking care of his car. 3 weeks later, I'm looking at his tires and I tell him the same thing I'm about to tell you. The air you've been breathing your entire life is already 78% nitrogen. He paid $40 for an extra 20% purity that makes zero measurable difference on a passenger car. The shop knew that. They charged him anyway. That's not the only line in the script. If you watch the tire pressure video, the one that exposed why 32 psi is destroying your tires and costing you $300 a year, you already know tire shops don't always have your best interests in mind. That video showed you what they tell you to set. This video shows you everything else they say when you walk through that door. 6 upsells. Every one of them delivered with confidence, everyone backed by just enough technical language to make you feel like saying, no is the wrong decision. Today, we're going through all 6. What they say, what the research actually shows, and exactly how to respond so you never pay for any of them unnecessarily again. The last one on this list happens on punctures. Shops push a $200 tire replacement on damage that costs $25 to fix, and they do it by making you feel like driving on a repaired tire is somehow dangerous. It's not, and I'll prove it. Let's get into it. The rotation phantom. Here's the one that's been happening to you for years without you knowing it. Tire rotation is a legitimate service. Moving tires between positions every 5,000 to 7,000 miles ensures even wear across all 4. Front tires on front-wheel drive cars handle steering and acceleration simultaneously. They wear significantly faster than rears. Rotation equalizes that. Real service, real benefit. Here's the problem. If all 4 of your tires are identical, same brand, same model, same size, you have absolutely no way of knowing whether they were rotated. You can't tell by looking, you can't tell by driving. You hand over the keys, sit in the waiting room for 45 minutes, pay $20 to $40, and drive away trusting that what was billed actually happened. A Honda CR-V owner documented this exactly. Marked his rear right tire with a paint dot before dropping off for a scheduled rotation. Picked up the car, walked straight to the rear right tire. Dot still there. Tire never moved. He'd been paying for rotations at the same dealer for years. This is documented across Honda, Ford, and multiple franchise dealerships in owner forums across the internet. One Ford F150 owner patched a tire, labeled all 4 wheels before a service visit, picked up the truck, and found every tire in its original position. When he brought it up, the technician claimed he'd moved 2 of them for wear pattern reasons. Then admitted he'd forgotten. Forgotten. On a service you paid for. Here's the 30-second fix that makes phantom rotations impossible. Before every service visit, take a white paint marker and put a small dot on one tire. Photograph it with your phone. Timestamp on the photo. When you pick up the car, check that tire first. If the dot is still there, the rotation never happened. Walk back in with the photo. That conversation ends very differently from the one they planned. One more thing. If rotation is included free with a tire purchase or oil change, it's worth doing. If you're paying for it as a standalone service at $20 to $40, do it yourself. 4 lug nuts per corner. A torque wrench, 20 minutes, $0, same result. The nitrogen lie. This one has been running so long and so openly that the Federal Trade Commission created specific rules targeting it in 2024. Shops are still charging for it daily. Here's the pitch. Nitrogen-filled tires maintain pressure better. They don't fluctuate with temperature as much. They extend tire life. They reduce wheel corrosion. $5 to $10 per tire. $20 to $40 for a full set. Green valve stem caps included. So you know it's premium. Here's the reality. The air you're breathing right now is 78% nitrogen. The remaining 22% is mostly oxygen with trace amounts of other gases. When a shop fills your tires with pure nitrogen, you're paying for an upgrade from 78% to 100% nitrogen. 22 percentage points of purity difference for $40. The Department of Transportation and Consumer Reports both studied this. The measurable pressure retention advantage of pure nitrogen over regular air, approximately 1 psi over an entire year. 1 psi. That's less than the pressure difference between a warm afternoon and a cold morning. Less than what your tires lose in 2 weeks just sitting in the driveway. The temperature fluctuation argument is technically true, but practically meaningless. Yes, nitrogen expands and contracts slightly less than oxygen under temperature changes. The real-world difference on a passenger car tire is so small, it doesn't affect handling, wear, or safety in any measurable way. If you're landing a Boeing 777 or running qualifying laps at a race circuit, nitrogen matters. If you're driving to work, it doesn't. The wheel corrosion argument exists because oxygen can oxidize aluminum wheels from the inside. Pure nitrogen eliminates that, but the moisture in regular air causes more corrosion than the oxygen does. And both nitrogen and regular air contain moisture unless the shop uses a dedicated drying system most don't have. Real talk, if a shop already filled your tires with nitrogen and you need a top-up, use regular air. Mixing them causes zero problems. The green caps are not a warning, they're a marketing reminder. If you watch the tire pressure video, you already know the real number to run. Correct pressure from a $15 digital gauge beats nitrogen from a $40 shop upsell every single time. The alignment. Push. You pull in for new tires. Service advisor comes back with the printout. While we had it on the lift, we checked your alignment. You're slightly out. We'd recommend doing it today while everything is already apart. $80 to $120. That line gets delivered to nearly every customer who buys new tires. And it works because it sounds reasonable. Everything is already apart. Might as well. Protects the new tires. Makes sense. Here's what Car Talk's own tire experts confirmed after decades of shop experience. Only 1 in 10 vehicles actually needs wheel alignment when getting new tires installed. 1 in 10. The other 9 are being sold a service their car doesn't need. Here's how to know if your car actually needs alignment before anyone mentions it. 2 symptoms, and 2 symptoms only. First, the car pulls to one side when you release the steering wheel on a flat, straight road. Not a gentle drift. An actual pull requiring correction. Second, uneven tire wear on the set you're replacing. One shoulder worn faster than the other. Inside edge gone while outside is fine. That wear pattern is alignment telling you something. If neither of those symptoms exist, your alignment is fine. The advisor's printout showing you're 0.3 degrees off camber is not a crisis. Modern vehicles tolerate small alignment variations without any measurable effect on tire wear or handling. Shops know this. The printout is designed to look alarming. The numbers are designed to be unverifiable by anyone without alignment equipment. Here's the one question that changes everything. Before authorizing any alignment, ask for the before and after printout. Every legitimate alignment machine produces a documented before measurement and an after measurement showing what was corrected. If a shop can't produce both printouts when the job is done, nothing was corrected. You paid for a measurement and a story. Alignment when your car is pulling or showing uneven wear, legitimate, necessary, worth every dollar. Alignment because a service advisor mentioned it during a tire change, ask for the printout, then decide. The road hazard trap. Every tire purchase comes with the same closing question. Would you like to add road hazard protection? Covers you if you pick up a nail or hit a pothole, just $50 for the set. Sounds like easy peace of mind. Here's what the fine print actually says. Road hazard warranties cover damage from road debris during normal driving. Nail in the tread, covered. But run over a curb, not covered. Driver error, not covered. Tread worn past 50% when the damage occurs. Prorated, meaning you get partial credit toward a new tire at their prices, not a free replacement. Sidewall damage from a pothole, sometimes covered, sometimes excluded, depending on the warranty language. And the shop that voids your tread wear warranty for not rotating at their specific interval. The same shop selling you the road hazard protection. Here's the math that exposes it. A standard nail puncture in the tread costs $25 to $50 to plug and repair at any shop. That repair is permanent, safe, and carries no meaningful safety risk when done correctly on tread area punctures. The road hazard warranty costs $50 to $200 for a set of 4 tires. You would need 2 to 4 covered repairs just to break even, on exclusion-heavy coverage that denies a significant percentage of claims on technicalities. One documented case, a customer paid $48 for road hazard coverage, picked up a screw 2 weeks later, paid $20 for the repair, submitted the invoice for reimbursement, and received a check for $8. The warranty paid $8 on a $48 premium. Here's when road hazard coverage is actually worth considering. When it's free, Costco includes it at no charge and honors claims without argument when you drive regularly in construction zones or roads with heavy debris. When you're buying run-flat tires that genuinely cannot be repaired with a standard plug. Otherwise, decline it. Put the $50 toward the plug kit you can use yourself in 10 minutes for any future nail puncture. The puncture replacement. Push. This is the one that uses fear as the closing argument. And it works every single time on drivers who don't know the actual safety standard. You pick up a nail. Shop puts it on the lift. Service advisor comes out with a serious face. Unfortunately, the damage is in a location we can't safely repair. You're going to need a new tire. $200 tire. Installation. Disposal fee. Sometimes they push all four replaced for matching tread depth. Here's the actual industry safety standard for tire repair from the Tire Industry Association, the governing body shops themselves belong to. A puncture is safely repairable when it meets 3 criteria. Located in the central 3/4 of the tread. No larger than 1/4 inch in diameter. No sidewall involvement. That's it. Those 3 criteria. A nail in the middle of your tread meeting all 3, completely repairable. $25, permanent fix, safe at any speed. The same standard every legitimate tire manufacturer publishes in their service documentation. Shops push replacement on repairable punctures for one reason. A plug repair generates $25. A new tire generates $200 plus installation. On a shop doing 50 vehicles a day, that math adds up to significant revenue from fear alone. The counter is simple. When a shop says a puncture isn't repairable, ask specifically which of the 3 criteria it fails. Tread location, size, or sidewall involvement. A legitimate answer takes 5 seconds. No specific answer means the puncture is repairable and you're being pushed toward a replacement you don't need. The protection, spray scam, $40, applied with a spray bottle, takes 90 seconds. The pitch, UV protection, ozone resistance, extends tire life, keeps tires looking new. Here's what Michelin, Bridgestone, and Continental all confirm in their tire care documentation. Tires manufactured since the early 2000s contain built-in anti-ozonant and UV stabilizer compounds in the rubber compound itself. Protection is in the tire, not on it. The silicone-based sprays shops apply look good for approximately 1 week. After that, they attract road dust, create a brown residue as they oxidize, and on some rubber formulations actually accelerate surface cracking by drawing out the built-in protective compounds over repeated applications. You pay $40 for something that makes your tires look worse within a month. If you want tires to look clean, wipe them with a damp cloth. That's the complete tire care recommendation from every major manufacturer. Free. It takes 2 minutes. 0 residue, 6 upsells, 1 script, delivered to every customer every visit. Rotation phantom. Mark your tire before you drop the car off. Nitrogen. Regular air is already 78% nitrogen. Alignment. Ask for the before and after printout. Road hazard. Read the exclusions before you sign. Puncture replacement. Ask which of the 3 criteria it fails. Protection spray. The protection is already in the tire. 1 sentence stops all of it. Can you show me exactly why this is necessary? Watch how fast the script changes. What have they tried to sell you? Drop it in the comments. I'll tell you whether you needed it or not.